Hi guys, Christelle here, and I hope you are enjoying Oil Camp as much as I am. I love to see all of your comments coming through and just the sense of community and the engagement and just all of the comments. I love to see you guys just chatting on there about how you're incorporating these oils into your lives and also other ideas on ways that you're using them that maybe we didn't even think of. So I do hope that you've got some value out of Oil Camp. We're not done yet. We do have a couple more days, and I'm sad that we're almost to the end. We're in the home stretch. We've got a couple more oils to cover, and today I'm going to do a DIY. So earlier you learned about Deep Blue and Lifelong Vitality and how both of those things can provide a healthy inflammatory response in your body, right? And you might have your Deep Blue with you, or you might have your Deep Blue rub. You learned about that. That's just going to carry it farther because it's sitting in a lotion. But I like to use a little roller, right? Little roller, because I use it on the kids. And the kids are getting their wiggles out on the trampoline right now, chasing each other around. But I know that, littles, they get growing pains, or they can't sleep because they feel those aches and pains because they're growing in their sleep, right? And so I like to use this on them. I also use it on myself if I'm going to be doing any kind of strenuous activity. I'm not a huge workout person. I might deceive you with my clothing tonight, but I do go for walks and things like that. So it's really good for knees and everything else. So I'm just going to show you. It's a recipe that we call light blue, and I'll show you why in a second. But you're going to take your Deep Blue oil. There it is. And remember that Deep Blue oil has that childproof cap on there because there are analgesic properties to the wintergreen that's in here. So it's not that it's harmful. You can't overdose on oils, but you just want to be sure that, that cap is on there, is in large amounts ingested. You do not want to ingest it. That's why that cap's there. Okay, so in case you were wondering, why is that cap on there? But you're going to take your Deep Blue and you're going to put in 25 drops of the Deep Blue oil. And I'm doing my best to count that out. Okay. And then you're going to follow that with, what's our powerhouse? What is the oil that if you put this oil on top of any other oil, it's going to emphasize the oil underneath it? Frankincense. Yes. So I'm going to take my frankincense and take 10 drops of the frankincense. I'm going to count 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this, by the way, is a 5 milliliter roller, and I do that because it's handy, it's small, it can fit anywhere, it can fit in my little wallet if I wanted it to, and I top it off with my fractionated coconut oil. I can fill this up anytime I'm running out, all right, and this is why it's called light blue, because when you see the color of this, look at how pretty this is. Can you see that? It looks like sea glass. It's so pretty. So once I put my roller ball on and my top on there, what I do just to make sure that I remember what's in there is, remember these stickers? You guys all got these with your enrollment kit. You can always get more. They're in your back office. But what I normally do is I take a Deep Blue sticker here, and I will also take a frankincense sticker. So I just know what's inside here. You could also write on the little blank ones there, light blue, your recipe for light blue. But I just do this because it's an easy way for me to go, oh yeah, that's the one that I want. All right. So I hope you guys got value out of this. I hope you do try to make a roller of your own, and we'll see you tomorrow.